A major twist has emerged in a case that shook India's strategic community. BrahMos scientist Nishant Agarwal, once accused of passing sensitive defense secrets to Pakistan, has been cleared of the most serious charges. This includes charges under the Information Technology Act and the Official Secrets Act, the two sections that earlier led to a 14-year jail sentence handed down by a lower court. A higher court has now ruled that there is not enough evidence to prove that Agarwal knowingly shared classified information with Pakistan's intelligence operatives. This ruling changes the entire direction of a case that had triggered deep concern because it involved access to one of India's most advanced missile systems. The only charge that still stands is much smaller. It relates to the possession of official documents on his personal device. For this, the lower court had given him a 3-year sentence, but Agarwal had already spent more than that time in detention. This judgment brings a dramatic end to a legal battle that began almost 7 years ago. Agarwal was arrested in October 2018 in a coordinated operation carried out by military intelligence and the anti-terrorism squads of Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. At that time, he was working in the Technical Research Division of BrahMos Aerospace Limited, a joint venture between India and Russia responsible for the BrahMos missile. Investigators said they had found sensitive documents on his personal computers. These documents should never have been taken out of the secure systems. The discovery raised alarms, especially because the BrahMos missile is one of India's most critical strategic assets. During the investigation, officials found that Agarwal had been in contact with a woman named Sejal. She was part of an online network that targeted Indian defense staff. According to investigators, she posed as a recruiter for a UK-based aviation firm. She even contacted Agarwal on LinkedIn and continued chatting with him on other platforms. Investigators told the court that Sejal had sent him links that he clicked. He also installed 3 applications on his personal laptop in 2017. These apps were named Q Whisper, Chat to Hire, and X Trust. They looked harmless, but investigators say all 3 were actually malware. According to the case files, these apps stole data from his laptop. Some of the data included official documents linked to the BrahMos project. Prosecutors argue that this was a major breach of protocol, but the higher court has now said there is no proof that Agarwal intentionally shared this information or understood the nature of the malware. With today's ruling, the court had made it very clear. Nishant Agarwal may have violated internal security rules, but he is not guilty of espionage. His release marks a turning point for the case that once appeared to be one of India's biggest defense-related leaks. For now, the court's decision brings closure to a long legal battle and raises new questions about cybersecurity, social engineering, and the growing threat of online espionage targeting India's strategic sectors.